Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of MIS Management Information System, I will discuss the topic comparison between internet and extranet. We can also say difference between internet and extranet. Till the time I have discussed all the three networks, internet, extranet, let's see the comparison or differences among them. First, here is a diagram. Okay, next type of network. It is important to note down. Internet is public because everyone can see. Internet is always within organization, so it is private network. Now extranet, just correct the thing here. It is semi-private, not private. It is semi-private. Also write the full form of VPN. VPN stands for virtual private network. VPN stands for virtual private network. So virtual private means आभासी, not real. एक प्राइवेट नेटवर्क है बट पूरी तरह से प्राइवेट नहीं है, इट इज़ सेमी प्राइवेट. सो वी कैन ऑल्सो से VPN वर्चुअल प्राइवेट नेटवर्क, पूरी तरह से प्राइवेट नहीं है, और वी कैन से सेमी प्राइवेट. एक्स्ट्रानेट आपको बताया भी था. इंटरनेट इज़ अ पब्लिक नेटवर्क, इट इज़ अ नेटवर्क ऑफ नेटवर्क्स, एनी वन कैन यूज़ इंटरनेट. इंटरनेट इज़ अ प्राइवेट नेटवर्क, ओनली द मेंबर्स ऑफ एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हु आर वर्किंग इनसाइड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन can only access internet. But extranet is accessed by the members of organization, also the members who are the part of organization but are working at remote location. Remote means dur. They are working at distant location, they can also access extranet. So extranet has the features of intranet as well as internet. So it is semi private, correct here, semi private or virtual private network. Note down the full form. VPN virtual private network. Let's talk about size. So which one is bigger? Internet is bigger, so we will write large in internet small. Extranet is also small but bigger than internet. So here it is written large number of connected devices. Internet में intranet limited number of connected devices, extranet limited number of connected devices over internet. If we talk about security, which one is more secure? Intranet is more secure and internet is not secure. So internet is firewall protected. Here it is written firewall. I have already discussed the concept. Firewall, it is a hardware or software which protects the network from any kind of unauthorized access. So internet is not secure. It is written here depends on the devices connected to the internet device. Okay, and internet firewall protected. Extranet semi है, so protection is also semi. So firewall separates internet and extranet. इसमें firewall लगा होता है बट इंटरनेट सेफ नहीं है, इंट्रानेट सेफ है. सो इसमें एक्स्ट्रानेट कुछ हद तक सेफ है, इट इज़ सेमी safe also. Policy, if we talk about policy, internet communication protocols. Internet has some communication protocols like HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, or hypertext transfer protocol secure, HTTPS. Intranet has organizational policies, extranet has organizational policies, contractual policies, and internet policies. Okay, extranet has to follow internet and intranet both. So it has organizational policy, internal policy, and it has some contractual policy. Accessibility, if we talk about who can access which network, internet is free, so anyone can access internet. Intranet, for accessing internet you must have permission. So here it is written authorized people. Authority means permission, only permitted users or people can access internet. Extranet also, it is accessed only by the authorized people. Information sharing, which one has more information sharing? Internet. So it is written here information can be shared across the world. With the help of internet, information can be shared across the world. Intranet, information can be shared securely within organization. इंटरनेट में इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ शेयर होती है? ओनली विद इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Extranet, information can be shared between employees and external people also. Yes, I have told extranet means internal employees can access the information as well as those employees or workers who are working outside the organization but they are also the part of organization. So who can access? Internet can be accessed by anyone across the world. Internet can be accessed only within organization, and extranet can be accessed between employee and some external people who are also part of organization. If we talk about owner, internet not owned by anyone, किसी का नहीं है internet, not owned by anyone. Internet owned by a particular organization, जिस कंपनी में लगा है internet it is owned by a particular organization. Extranet owned by one or more organizations. Extranet में बताया same company and also the members who are working outside in other organization but are the part of same organization, so it is owned by one or more organization. Example, internet has examples as www stands for world wide web, email, electronic mail means online letter, chat, social media, as we know social media website as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. Okay, so these are the example of internet. Intranet, internal operation network of an organization. Intranet has some internal operations network. Extranet, network of collaboration. Collaboration means एक साथ or jointly between two corporations, means two or more two corporations are joined with the help of extranet. The members of the same organizations are joined and also the related company can also collaborate or join with the same network. So it is the example of extranet, network of collaboration between two corporations. So it is the comparison or differences between internet, intranet and extranet. Okay, so just learn it. It is very important topic. Write it, learn it, practice it. Okay, thank you for listening. Next I will discuss in other video.